Hello everyone, let's start the 8th Python coding challenge. Here we have to write a function that accepts strings and calculate the number of uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Means we have to pass one input string and we have to find the how many number of characters are in uppercase and how many number of characters in lowercase. These are the steps which we will use to build our logic. Initially we will pass a string to a functions. After that we initialize two variables. Then we will create one for loop to move our whole input string. Then we will check a particular character whether it's in uppercase. Then we will use the counter of increase the counter of the upper counter and jump to the next iteration. We will do for the same for the lowercase character also. Increase the lowercase counter and jump to the next iteration. Finally print the value of the both counter uppercase and lowercase. These are the concepts which we will use in our code. Name is the built-in variable which evaluates the name of the current module. Variable is a memory location used to store value. For looping is used to execute one or more statements repeatedly. If-else is used to check the condition. Is-upper method is used to check the particular character in uppercase. Is-lower method is used to check the particular character in lowercase. Then continue keyword is used to stop the current iteration and jump on the next one. So let's build our code. Here I have passed one input string to the function. Here I will take two counter variable to check the value of uppercase and lowercase character. I will initialize as 0. Then I will use one for loop. This for loop will move up to the length of the str. Str is our input string. Then we will use the if condition to check whether the character is uppercase or lowercase. Is upper. Then we will increase counter of upper counter and continue to the next iteration. This if condition we have used to check the number of uppercase character. Now we will check lowercase character. Continue. Now we will print the number of uppercase character and the number of lowercase character. Just check our final output. So this is our final output as expected. What exactly we have to do here? Initially pass the input string, then take two counter variable, then we have used the for loop to check the each character of the input string. After that we have checked that particular character is upper or not. This method is used to check whether the character is upper or lower. Is upper method is used to check the character is upper and is lower method is used to check the character in lowercase. If it will get the uppercase character, then increase the counter of u and it will continue the next iteration up to the length of the string. Once the entire the length is finished, then it will print the number of uppercase character and lowercase character. Post your optimized solution into comment section. Thank you.